Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is our component. These are the steps I have followed to create this component. Now, in this tutorial, we'll learn step by step how to model this component. To model this, first go to the file, new, model. Our units are in millimeter. Make sure you choose in millimeter. Choose the file name and specify the location. Save OK. To model that component, we are going to use these dimensions. So I'm just opening this file. Software, I'm just keeping right side. This model we can draw in a different way, but I used to follow do the material addition features first, then do the material removal features. Now I'm going to start with the cylinder. Take the circle, front one, save OK. Take a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of the circle is 40. Here they have given radius is 20. Then diameter is 40. Do you want to scale the entire case? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the circle. Finish the sketch. Go for extrusion. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 50. Just specify the value of 50. Just say OK. Now we have created the cylinder. Then we'll create this plate. For that, go to the sketch again. Select this top plane. Just save OK. Now we'll model this one. Here you can see this dimension is 50. This is 15. The total length they are not given. Actually this distance is 15. Now start model this one. Take the multiple line. Start from here, somewhere here just make it up to this, then to this, and this distance they are not given. Just click this line, you will get horizontal distance. This is 50. Enter it. Yes. Just press the roller to confirm. And this distance they have given as 25. Save OK. When you give that one, it will make a symmetric object to the axis. Now just specify this distance as 15. Save OK. This distance is 50. Save OK. Move this line from here to here. The distance is 25. Make it 20. Now sketch is finished. Now just finish the sketch. This one is the circular cylinder. This one we are going to do extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion thickness is 15. Now here you can see it's not properly connected to the cylinder. To make a proper connection, just edit the sketch. Just take a line from this point to somewhere here, and here. Press the roller to confirm. Now just delete this line. Just finish the sketch. Save OK. Just save OK. Just edit the sketch. First finish the sketch. Save OK. Edit defining section. Just orient to the view. it is asking us to define this value, that is 15, 50, 50. This is make some 15. Total distance we make it some 15 plus 15, 30 plus 50, 88. Make it some 80. Here it is 20, so 85 you make it. Then it will be 15 from here, 50. Okay. Now just finish the sketch. Say OK. Just delete this one. Just finish it. No. We got this section. Here it is not fused. Just go to the edit parameter. Here it is boolean made none. Just make it unite with the cylinder. Save OK. Now we have created this plate. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again. Select this one. Just say OK. Now take a line. Just specify the value as from this point to bottom it is 32. This point, entire assembly, this point and this one, make it 0. Now we have created this line, then create this circle, take the circle, just create this circle, specify the diameter of the circle. Here they have given the radius of 20, the diameter is 40. Then we just want to draw one more arc. For that, take a circle, just put the random circle. The circle diameter is, here they have given radius of 27.29. Diameter is 27.29 plus 27.29. Press enter. Press the roller to confirm. This circle and this circle should be in the tangent. Similarly, this circle and this circle are in tangent. Now fully defined. Then just take a line, this point and this point. Press the roller to confirm. Here take the trim, just trim this one, then we'll get end point. Go to the arc, center and ends. From this point, here you will get the end point. Now we have closed the sketch. Now remove unwanted edges. These are not required. Just close it. Just finish the sketch. Then go to the extrude. Direction is, change the direction. Now the thickness of extrusion is 15 mm. Say OK. Just hide these sketches. Now we have done all the material addition feature. Then we'll go for the material removal feature of these two holes with a diameter of 20. Now take the hole. To place the hole at the center, just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Now the diameter is 20, normal to the face, until next, subtract, just apply. Similarly here, just move your cursor to the edge of the circle, you will get the hole. The diameter of the hole is 20, normal to the face, until next, subtract, just say OK. Now we have created this model, just right click here, orient view, isometric view. Now we have finished this model. In this tutorial we have learned how to model this component. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.